7,278 crore rupee IPO opens for subscription today, and it's our big story for the day. Mangalam is joining us now to tell us more about the company and the outlook as well. Mangalam.
Well, the much spoken about, the much discussed and the much debated IPO finally opens today. It is Lenskart, a business that we know as, it has around 2,150 stores in every nook and cranny of the country, and increasingly 40% of their revenues coming in from outside of India in the Southeast Asian regions as well. But importantly, about the IPO, opens today up until November 4th, and it's a price band of 382 to 402 rupees per share, raising about 7,300 crores, of which fresh issue is 2,150. The rest is an offer for sale from promoters as well as investors in the company. Now, before the IPO opens for subscription, we had the anchor book update coming in as well. There was strong demand there, 3,300 crores allocated to nearly 150 anchor investors, which included a good mix of domestic mutual funds, domestic insurance companies, as well as global participants, which include the likes of New World, Capital Inc., Fidelity, T. Rowe, and BlackRock, etc. So a bunch of anchor investors have put their might behind Lenskart. What does the company do, and what does it intend to do with the money that it gets? Remember, it runs about 2,150 stores, has the back-end supply chain for eyewear as well. So they want to basically use 273 crores to start new company-owned, company-operated stores. 590 crores will be used for lease, rent, license agreements, and they will be investing in technology as well as R&D for about 213 crores as well. It sells, designs a wide range of eyewear products. We know about that. They've made acquisitions as well. 40% of their revenue comes in from some of the acquisitions that they made outside of India. And if you look at their financials, last year they did numbers of close to around 6,500 crores, 6,600 crores on the revenue, had margins of 15% and a profit of nearly 300 crores, the first time that they turned profitable. And this quarter, the first quarter that is, they did about 1,900 crores in terms of revenue, 18% margins and about 61 crore. It's a strong business, 2.5 times, its nearest competitor in the country, and also has a fair amount of tailwinds for the sector when it comes to unorganized to organized shift. But all of that boils down to just one thing. How much is the price, or how much is the IPO being offered at? If you look at the trailing numbers, 10.5 times sales and 234 times price to earnings. And this is precisely the question I asked Piyush Bansal, and this is what he had to say.
Firstly, as a company and as an entrepreneur, our job is to create value for the customer.
Yeah.
Right.
And now increasingly shareholder as well.
Yes. And the shareholder, as far as valuation is concerned, it is what the market decides. Even if we look at the valuation, there are investors who are selling shares, there are investors who are coming in, and they have done a lot of working to arrive at these numbers. All I can say is they'll be very close to comparables. They won't be off. Sometimes when you look at things without looking at the full perspective, they look different. But yeah, be rest assured that everything will be in line with what they should be. I don't expect anything abnormal. International continues to be a good focus for the company.
4,000 stores by 2030?
Again, I would say...
Possible?
Definitely. I mean, India has 80,000 eyewear stores, approximately, conservatively. And that Abhishek said, we have 60 stores for 1 million people. We have 20 times more jewelry stores in India. So one would say, can you add at least another 80,000 optical stores as a country? Yes. Right? Out of that 80,000, let's see how many Lenskart has.
14%.